bored, Schmeat Meat? Well, let me see if I have any of your toys out here. I don't think I do. Let me see. What can I give you to play with? Oh, here's a hair tie. Yeah, you just flick it like this. You see? Schmeaty, you just use your imagination. Here, watch. You just get it like this, and you just, yeah. Now you do it. You try it. You get it. Schmitty, come on, use your imagination. Ugh. Okay, just gonna make sure you guys have water. What in the world? The heck is this? Is that my hair tie? Schmitty, why'd you put this in your water, you silly kitty? This was in the water, what the heck? Can I have my hair tie back? Okay, but did you check the dog's water and see if he has any water? Yeah, I didn't check it either. What in the world? Are those are these hair tie? Oh, Schmitty. Really? That is ridiculous. That is too much. Oh, that's how he does it. Is that what I think it is? Schmitty, is that a hair tie in the toilet? Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm not getting that, that's gross. I just want to know why you keep putting them in water bowls and in the toilet. I found it in the toilet today. And I found 5 of them in the dog water. 5, Schmitty. 5 hair ties in the dog water alone. I found 3 in the cat bowl, in the cat water, and 1 in the toilet. What are you doing, kitty?